Out. One more. Pull your knees up, plant your feet on the floor, and you're gonna rock side to side. Windshield wiper the legs. Really drop into each side. This is going to help again release your tight hip flexors and your quads. You can also actively, if I take my hands, press down a little bit on my hip bones and pulling up like you're brushing up towards your stomach while you're doing it. That can really help release tight hip flexors and quad. If you have low back pain too, this is a really good one to do. If you guys are just watching, you haven't done any move yet, and you're watching to hear it, get down and try this one right now. Especially if you sit a lot. This is gonna be a great one for you. So, nice. All right, release the block from underneath and just rock the knees gently side to side. For a deeper release in low back, you can pull the knees into your chest and rock out side to side. We're gonna cross the right leg over the left and then drop both legs over to the left. Open up your right arm like a cactus and look that direction for a simple twist. Three full breaths, deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in. Slow release. Back to center. Cross your left leg over your right. Drop both legs over to the right. Practice opposite arm. Chill out here. Get with the program, y'all. Stretch every day. Allow your body to relax, let go. Allow yourself to enter that meditative state, that flow state, that focus state. Calm your body, focus your mind. I'll help you focus on the things that are important and let go of what's not. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Deep breath in. Out. And one more. And out. Ooh, are we feeling good or what? All right, bring yourself up. We're gonna work a bit more on the outer hips. Tagging off of what we were working on yesterday. So, here's what we're gonna do. Pick a side. Close your eyes, sit up tall. And when I give you the word to go deeper, go deeper. That may be a little bit, maybe a lot, okay? Hold yourself here, just breathe, and I'll tell you when to go deeper.